Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, I'm very happy today because today is Custom ROM day. Custom ROM for this smartphone, that is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now this has probably been one of the most exciting smartphone launches this year because of the value that it offers. This phone offers great value for money and I absolutely love it. I've already done a full review of Redmi Note 10 Pro which contains all my thoughts about this device. So if you want to watch that, I will make sure to link it in the description box below. Now as we all know, Xiaomi phones are very popular among the custom ROM developer community. Redmi Note 10 Pro is no exception to that. There are some very good custom ROMs available for Redmi Note 10 Pro and one of them is Pixel Experience. So this is the Pixel Experience ROM for Redmi Note 10 Pro.
Don't make me dance to a tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away.
Alright, this is it. This is the Pixel Experience running on Redmi Note 10 Pro over here. So this is the Pixel Experience ROM. The ROM that comes with Pixel smartphones, that's exactly what you will get over here. Clean vanilla Android, no bloatware whatsoever, no extra features, and it's extremely minimal and I like it this way. Like, I love it this way in fact. Now as far as the features go, I think everything is working, especially the display refresh rate. So if you go to display and advanced, you can see that there is a screen refresh rate option and you can use the 120Hz refresh rate. So that is excellent to see that 120Hz is supported on this ROM. Apart from that, the fingerprint sensor is also working. So if I unlock the phone, here we go. Now if I unlock with this finger, it will not, but with this one, it will unlock. Again, fingerprint sensor is working fine with this ROM and that is excellent. Now as for the other biometric authentication, you do get face unlock as well. So if I go to settings over here and then to security, as you can see there is an option for face unlock. So let me just quickly do that. I'm going to set up face unlock and here we go, face unlock is set up. So now I can unlock the phone via face unlock. Now as far as the camera goes, I am using Google Camera, the latest version. I've already made a video about it. Gcam works like a charm for this device and you can shoot some amazing photos. Now here are some sample photos that I've shot with Gcam. They look really good. That's why you should go ahead and download it. Even if you have MIUI, you can download Gcam. There will be a link available in the description box below. Now one good thing with this ROM is that you don't need to flash G apps separately. You already get the Google apps like the basic ones and that is excellent. You just need to flash one zip file and you'll be good to go. Also very quickly, always on display is also working. You can see the clock, the weather and also notifications on the always on display. Now if you're wondering about this wallpaper, it's from this app called as Backdrops. I always use Backdrops. It's like one of the best apps out there. So you can go to Backdrops and find this wallpaper. It's called Static Waves and it's by Ayush Kumar. So yes, a huge shout out to Ayush Kumar for this wallpaper. Now some people out there have doubts about banking applications, but let me tell you that banking applications are working with this ROM. So I tried out Paytm and Google Pay and both of them are working absolutely fine with this smartphone. So if you open up Paytm or if you open up Google Pay, you can make payments and yeah, banking applications are definitely working. So that is a good sign. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for Pixel Experience. As I said, it is stock Android, very clean, very minimal, and everything is working. I did not face any issues whatsoever. Even the speakers are working, the display is working absolutely fine, the battery life has been great, and as I said, banking apps are also working. So as you saw, Pixel Experience is awesome on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now let's get to the part where we talk about how to install this custom ROM on your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Before you go into the process, you need some prerequisites like an unlocked bootloader and a custom recovery installed, which is TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to do these things, then don't worry. I have an article on my website which explains everything in detail and I will make sure to link it in the description box below. So read that article, watch some videos on how to unlock your bootloader and install a custom recovery like TWRP recovery. Now once you have the custom recovery installed, you need to flash the ROM via that custom recovery. It's just one zip file and you'll be good to go. Again, I'll make sure to link the zip file in the description box below. Download it, install it. You don't need to flash G apps separately. They are included in the zip file itself. So please make a note of that. So anyway, this was Pixel Experience on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.